This arm.
Okay, I need the password. I'll send you in the chat.
Okay, I'm doing the presentation right now.
Okay,
So
so this, I mean, this gripper actually, it only came with the pieces. It took me a day to put, a complete day to put this together actually, without instructions. The motor here, that I couldn't find a clamp the right size for this either, but it should move this arm. It should move this arm. So so this can't actually pick up a a um a wobble goal and actually lift it. If there was a sliding thing here, then it would. But it's a very flawed arm. But yeah, this is what I have.
so this one, I think you can. So you will use this motor to control the claw and grab it, right? But right now, this motor also doesn't fit in.
Yeah, because I couldn't find a small enough servo.
Okay, I see it. So
Just pretend it's a servo. Yeah.
okay, so you also cannot lift it at this moment because we do not have a slide for it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Christoph, I really want you to look at those because you are in a CAD class and that's very good to you. And these students only spend like 4 hours learn it, and they are doing a very good job here. So I want you to get to this level after you CAD class as well. All right, thank you, David, for that. So Jing, can you go ahead?
Wait, let me fix this. So pretend the cube is the robot. So, this is the arm, and this motors can be like mounted on something behind it, like a channel or something. And then this blue piece, it connects the motor to the channel so it won't like slip or slide. And then this is like the main arm. And oops, okay. This claw doesn't move, but this one does, and it's like connected to a servo that moves it in and out. So you just slide the wobble goal against here and close this. I'm not sure if it's like foolproof, but that's what I have.
And let me ask you, are those two claws at the same level, or one is higher than another one?
Oh yeah, one is like slightly higher, which I think might make the wobble tilted.
Okay, good. You needed to make it a high, because if not a high, you see you have this angle in one of the claw. I think that may not hold the wobble well with that.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking, because you can close the claw more and tight.
Oh, okay. Wait, so one claw higher than the other? Or?
Yeah, need to be a little bit high, I believe. So you see this one is so this is the claw and this is another one. So you can go ahead, so you can close it, right? So you go ahead, you can close it more. Without that, I think depends on you say if I move the mouse, you may not be able to see it. When you move the mouse to the claw, because you will have a hole there, I'm not sure that will hold your wobble well or not. That's what I'm thinking. We can you can try with this design. Actually, you can try when you build it, and you see which one will be better. Okay. All right. So how about you, Adrian A? Can you present yours?
So this is the one on the line, and these are continuous servos. I guess there should be a stopper here, I guess. These are the Rev. I got them from the Rev servo mouse, and this part just kind of connects to the robot, I guess.
Mhm. Can you just zoom in a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, Adrian?
Oh, okay.
You have a very good design because you can lift it, you can hold it. Yeah, looks very good. Okay, all right. Thank you. So Sarah, are you ready now?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. So this is my design, and basically this is the U channel and connects these hubs, axles, and everything. And this is what lifts the entire wobble and everything up. And then right here is what holds on to the wobble. And this is just to make sure it actually gets in the right position. This is a servo to move this. And I think I want to point out one flaw about this is when I was catting this, there was a lot of pieces I couldn't find exact size. So I adjusted the size a bit for some of these pieces. So I think when building it, it'll be hard to find the pieces, but I hope it will work.
Okay, if you needed them and you have a design, actually we can use a 3D to print it out. We have a 3D printer. So if you think that's your design, you are sure on it, and if you want it, you can print it out. But just keep in your mind the 3D printer material. So we need to think about that. What kind of material we wanted to use. I think it's good. And then let me check. Kate, can you talk about yours, Kate?
Okay. So I was thinking like this should like the arm right here. This is the thing where it opens. Right now it's closed, so when it opens, it'll grab on the wobble glue and then it'll close and then go up on this platform. And it'll rest there until like the time to put the wobble glue down. It'll go this stick right here. It'll go down and then it'll open and it'll drop it.
Oh, I do not get it. Can you show it again? So I see that you have a parallel plate. You are trying to use this to parallel plate to hold the wobble.
The arm and like just hold it there.
Oh, those two. Okay, those two. Then what will move those claws? Do you have like servo, motor, anything in your design?
I was gonna think about that a little bit more. I'm not really sure so far.
Okay, good. So you are so new and you can get this design. It's really a very good job. So how about you, Tang? Can you share your design? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So do you have a picture then?
Where did he show it?
Yeah, he's going to share it because he designed it very early, when we try to do an arm, he designed it and with detailed information. Okay, so you prepare for that. Okay, Tan, let me get it Usher. So Usher, can you share yours? Can you present yours? Usher,
I don't have one.
you don't have a design. Okay, so Francois.
Sure. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so here's my design. It's a little big because I couldn't find a U channel that was smaller. Ignore this thing back here. Oh, it's moved to the side. Anyway, so this the servo is here, and there's like a claw thing here that I'm like made kind of angled so that so like it grabs onto the rubber part of the wobble, and like it wouldn't fit perfectly, so it would be slightly angled backwards, which I think would increase the stability. And these four things on the corners, these 1, 2, 3, 4 are supposed to be angled backwards, but I couldn't get them to get angled backwards, and it was also supposed to be connected to this U channel. So like and there should be a servo connected to it to like move this entire arm up and down, so you can pick up the servo and drop it over the side. And these 4 things are just to make sure that the plates don't fall off. That's about it.
So the plates do not fail off. What plate do you mean?
This thing. It's supposed to be angled backwards. Angled
okay.
like backwards to
Okay.
connect to this, but I couldn't get
Okay.
them to angle backwards.
Okay, I see what he meant. All right. All right. So Jason, because you know I started recording late, so I have not recorded your design. Can you just do it again? I'm sorry about that. So Adrian. Talk about that.
So the blue part of the claw stays the same, and the gray claw rotates to grab the wobble goal. And this part like rotates it to make it go up.
Yep. Now, yes. Now it will go up. Yes. Very good. So Tan, are you ready? All right, can you just zoom in a little bit, and then yeah, turn it around. Let's look at it in different angles, and because you cannot speak, I may ask you questions, and you can have your answers. Okay, where's your claw? Can you point to your claw? You can use grab the wobble. Okay. Okay, I see it now. All right. So how can you lift it? Can you show me how it works? When you want to lift it with that. All right. Yeah, I see. Now I see it because I see these several. Yes, it can lift it. Very good. Thank you, Tan. All right. So now I want you both, okay, David and Adrian. So you both need to lead your team to select one design. The Jingjing and Adrian, you both need to tell me which one you wanted to use. So can you guys do a discussion if you have a Discord? If not, I can send you guys to another breakout room so you can discuss and then get it back. So which way do you want guys to do? Oh, Evan, sorry about that. So I'm so sorry, Evan. You need to show yours. My bad. Evan, go ahead. You have a very good one as well. Yes. I apologize. Arvin, go ahead and do yours.
So this is my arm.
Mhm.
So this is the first motor that spins the arm up and down, and this is the motor that controls the claw.
Yes. And you have all the components. When the first time when I see this, wow, I say, wow, Arvin, you are so wonderful. You have everything and it works the way it needs to work. You can grab it and you can lift it and you have everything there. It's so good. Sorry about that, Arvin. I did not ask you to present, but actually, I know you finished it very early on this one. Wonderful job. I need the team go ahead and discuss, and then you choose the one. Okay. This time, do not choose the one that will not work. Okay. If it doesn't work, that means your entire team will fail. Okay. I want the arm will be able to grab the wire or lift it, transport it. So that's the next thing you guys need to do. Okay, so do you guys need me to send it to a different breakout room? Or you guys wanted to discuss now in Discord, or you just discuss through the chat?
We're talking in Discord.
Okay, go ahead, talk in Discord, and Jingjing and Adrian, you both need to decide which one you will use. And Adrian's son, you need to get your team and decide which one you are going to use. And then Devin, you also need to do that. Get your team and decide which one you are going to use. Christoph, and I want you to join more in the future. You see the wonderful job they have done. All those students, they are also new. They're just like a month or 2 months ahead of you, but they're doing a wonderful job. I think you will be able to do a wonderful job as well. Okay. Okay, you guys go to Discord and discuss and make a decision. Come back at 7:20, and I need the decision. Let me stop recording, or let me post it, and then I will record again. I will send this to your parents. You guys did such a great job, and I really want other parents to see your wonderful job. So Jinji and Adrian, you both go ahead and talk and show the one you choose. Which one are you going to use?
We were going to use this one.
Okay. Can you zoom in? So this will be for your legends. Okay. So that will be your design. So come to the center and check the parts. See if we have all of those. If not, we need to go buy it. So you need to come this Sunday. We need to decide it. All right. So for the team of Devins, so which one you guys are going to use? Devin.
We're still voting, but half the members aren't here.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Keep voting. That's fine. How about you, Adrian's son? Is your team finished?
We chose Sarah's.
Can you ask? Can you ask Sarah? It's Sarah's, right? Adrian, is it Sarah's, right?
Yeah.
Can Sarah then? Can you present again, Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay, this will be the design. So zoom out a little bit. Okay, so This will be the that for agent son, the team agent son need. Okay, you also need to come to the center as well. I know, Sarah, you are not in DC, but the team, at least the representatives, need to come and decide what we need to buy, what we will use, what we already have. All right, so how about you, Devin?
What arm did we pick? We
Yes.
picked Evans.
Who's
Well, for the people who are actually voting anyway.
yeah, who the team who picks whose design?
We picked Evans.
Oh, Evans. Erwin, congratulations. Can you present it again, Erwin? All right, so that is Erwin's design for the team leaded by Devin. So we will use that one. So Erwin, you need to come to the center. So the team needs to come to the center and decide what we need to buy, because we do have a motor, we do have a U channel, we have a lot of things as well. But we need to check if we have everything. If not, I need a list so we can go buy it quickly. So then next week we can start build it. Okay.
Claw is not stabilized.
Looks
Like
good.
the clock is like, it's not stabilized. It can move. It can like turn.
Okay. All right. So let me stop recording. That's really great.